Love isn't just a feeling, it's a powerful cocktail of brain chemicals. When you fall in love, a region called the ventral tegmental area, or the VTA, floods your brain with dopamine, creating that euphoric high we associate with new love. This is the same brain region activated during drug addiction, which explains why love can feel so intoxicating and why it's so hard to let go. You see, hear, or even just think about your romantic partner, dopamine circuits light up your brain's reward system. This creates intense pleasure and reinforces your desire to be with them again and again. Your brain essentially becomes programmed to seek out that person as a source of reward. Physical touch and intimate moments release oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone. This deepens your emotional attachment and builds trust, creating that sense of safety and connection with your partner. Alongside oxytocin works vasopressin, which triggers protective and territorial feelings towards your partner. It's part of what makes you feel that this person is yours. Perhaps most fascinating is what happens to serotonin when you're in love. Love actually reduces serotonin levels in your brain, similar to what happens in obsessive-compulsive disorder. This explains why you can't stop thinking about them, why they occupy your mind constantly, and why it's so hard to focus on anything else when you're deeply in love.